You bought a powerful console, a fast gaming PC, or a beautiful 4K or 8K TV. You expect stunning picture quality, smooth gameplay, and cinematic sound. But sometimes the image stutters, the screen flickers, or the quality just doesn't feel right. The problem might not be your TV or console. It could be your HDMI cable. Many people forget that the cable matters. A weak cable limits performance. A great HDMI 2.1 cable unlocks full power. Today, we'll explore the best 8K HDMI cables worth buying. Number 1. Highwings 8K HDMI cable. Highwings delivers serious performance for modern setups. This certified HDMI 2.1 cable supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, giving you ultra-smooth visuals and sharp detail. With full 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it transfers data fast without lag or frame drops. The cable features an aluminum alloy shell, anti-bending protection, and strong nylon braiding for long life. It also supports variable refresh rate to reduce screen tearing during gaming. Each cable goes through strict testing for stable signal quality. If you want reliability for gaming, streaming, and movies, this cable is a strong everyday choice. Number 2. UGREEN 8K HDMI cable. This cable is officially HDMI 2.1 certified, meaning it meets strict quality standards. It supports 10K resolution, 8K at 60 Hz, and 4K at 240 Hz for super smooth motion. Dynamic HDR improves colors, brightness, and contrast, making content look realistic. With 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, you get uncompressed video and stable signals. It also supports eARC, allowing high-quality sound like Dolby Atmos and DTS:X to pass to your sound system. The aluminum casing and braided jacket improve durability. This cable works great for TVs, gaming consoles, projectors, and soundbars, making it ideal for premium home theaters. Number 3. Silkland certified 8K HDMI cable. Built for gamers, this cable focuses on speed and stability. It supports 4K at 120 Hz on consoles and up to 144 Hz on PC for responsive gameplay. The special E-braid design uses double-layer braiding and ferrite cores to reduce interference. That helps prevent flickers and black screens. It also supports 8K and even 10K resolutions for future-ready performance. Dynamic HDR delivers better contrast and color depth. For audio, it supports Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. If you play competitive games or fast shooters, this cable helps keep visuals smooth and stable during intense gaming sessions. Number 4. Cratree 8K HDMI cable. The Cratree 15-foot HDMI cable is great for large rooms and wall-mounted TVs. It uses 4 layers of shielding to reduce interference and signal loss. The 24-karat gold-plated connectors resist corrosion and keep signals strong. You still get 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, VRR, and dynamic HDR support. Audio features like eARC are included for rich sound. Despite its length, performance stays stable. The braided exterior adds durability. This cable is perfect if your devices are far apart and you still want full HDMI 2.1 performance. Number 5. Ubluker 8K HDMI cable. This cable focuses on advanced HDMI 2.1 features. It carries an official certification label for trusted performance. It supports ALLM, VRR, QFT, and QMS, which reduce lag and improve smoothness. It can handle 4K at 240 Hz and 1080p at 360 Hz for high frame rate gaming. It also works with FreeSync and G-Sync, great for PC gamers. Dynamic HDR improves picture quality, while eARC supports Dolby True HD and DTS Master Audio. Compatibility includes consoles, PCs, TVs, and monitors. If you want maximum features packed into one cable, this option delivers strong value. Number 6. JSAUX 8K HDMI cable. This 10-foot HDMI 2.1 cable supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz with full 48 gigabits per second bandwidth. It includes dynamic HDR10 and eARC for immersive visuals and sound. Triple-layer shielding and tinned copper help prevent signal issues. The aluminum shell and nylon braid improve durability, while gold-plated connectors ensure stable transmission. It works well with PS5, Xbox, TVs, laptops, and projectors. The 10-foot length fits most home setups. If you want a reliable cable without overthinking features, this is a solid plug-and-play choice. So those were the top 6 best 8K HDMI 2.1 cables you can choose from. Each one offers something different depending on your needs. If you want strong durability and balanced performance, the Highwings cable is a safe pick. If official certification and premium quality matter most, the Real certified cable is a great option. Gamers who want high refresh rates and stable signals will love the eBraid cable. For large rooms and longer distances, the 15-foot Cratree cable is very practical. If you enjoy advanced features and high frame rates, the feature-rich certified cable stands out. And if you just want a dependable, everyday cable, the durable 10-foot option works great. Remember, even the best TV or console cannot perform at its peak with a weak cable. A proper HDMI 2.1 cable unlocks smoother gameplay, sharper images, and richer audio. It's a small upgrade that can completely change your viewing and gaming experience. Before buying, think about your setup. Check your TV specs, console output, and distance between devices. Choosing the right cable today also helps future-proof your setup for new technology. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more tech reviews and top picks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.